on the what? What's this called? The Riverwalk.
Riverwalk.
In Tampa. Gonna walk down here and see what's going on. This is the river. Come on along. Some statues down here on the Riverwalk. Not sure what it's all about. Kind of neat. You can pause it and read it if you want. There's some fountains coming up here. This is very cool. I'm not sure what this is. Pretty neat looking. Look at the palm trees. Very cool. Dolphin tours. It's a cool looking building. See that building? It's round. That had to be like crazy. Look at that round building. This is pretty cool. It's a little bit warm out though. It's a little sticky. I don't wear shorts. I don't wear shorts. Got a little playground over here for the youngins. A lot of stuff to keep people busy down here on the boardwalk. Keep on keeping on. Check out the hammocks under the trees down over here. This is a pretty cool place to just hang out. Pretty cool. I like this too, this architecture here. Whoop, let me back out. It's pretty cool. It's over on the other side of the river. A good way to cool off. You want to play in the water, Steve? Steve says no. There's some fountains. This whole section down here is a park. We have a children's museum up here. And there's a Tampa Museum of the Arts over there. But I love the little fountains that they have all over for the kids to play in. It's pretty cool. What do you think, Steve?
Good.
Pretty cool. It's a nice walk. Get all the pretty flowers in front of the hotel. Pretty, pretty. We are at Waterworks Bar and Grill. It's the hotel bar and grill. So this is the menu. Appetizers. What are we gonna get for an appetizer? Sandwiches.
I don't want an appetizer.
You don't want an appetizer? We got soups and salads. Entrees. Sides. Desserts. Oh, they have key lime pie.
That probably ain't good.
Pie. Might have to take some dessert back to the room. Let's see what we're gonna order. Okay, so the restaurant at the hotel didn't go so well. We never actually got any service, so we left after, what, 10 minutes? So we're at a steakhouse. It's much better. A little more pricey, but that's fine. We're going to have a good dinner. So I'll show you our courses as they come.
Want me wine?
Are you okay?
Huh?
Is this okay?
I'm fine.
All right, we got wine. What kind of wine is this? Riesling. I think this is a Riesling. And a glass of water. First course.
Right in the middle again?
That'd be good. Alright. Sherry. Bartender's trying to get me drunk. Alright. Steve got a lettuce wedge and I got some lobster bisque with some sherry. Alright, Steve got, what is it, 8 ounce?
Filet mignon.
Huh?
Filet mignon.
8 ounce filet mignon. I got 3 crab cakes and it's going to be bad lighting, so sorry. We got asparagus and french fries and hollandaise sauce for the asparagus. This is the fountain outside the Children's Museum at night, after dark, or at dark. Thought it was pretty cool. The kids are running through the water. It's pretty cool. It's a beautiful night too. It's a gorgeous night out. Yep. Alright, we're going back to the hotel. We'll fill you in when we get back at the hotel. Okay, we're back at the hotel. And we have walked over 5 miles today.
Tonight, since we get off the
Well,
airport.
yeah, probably about at least 3.5 or so tonight. But we walked through the airport and stuff. We had about 1.5 miles before we started walking tonight. And we're over 5 miles. So we did some walking on the river walk, which was very pretty. It's nice outside, really nice outside. And we came back and went to the hotel restaurant, which had really terrible service. They didn't wait on us, so they gave us a menu and seated us, and after about 10 minutes we got up and left because we hadn't even gotten water or anything. So we ended up down at Malio's Steakhouse that was on the river, and it was in that round building that we showed you in the earlier clips. And the food was awesome. I had the crab cakes, which, you know, I'll show you some clips of that, or I'll put the clips in there.
Pictures.
No, I took video.
Oh, you took video.
Yeah. So
it was good.
It was probably the best crab cakes I've ever had. It was all just big chunks of crab meat and not a whole lot of filler at all. So, and Steve had the steak, and we had asparagus with the hollandaise sauce.
Real asparagus. That was really good.
Awesome.
I liked that. I liked it enough that we ate it all.
Yep. And we had
hand-cut fries.
Hand-cut fries, and I had lobster bisque with a little bit of sherry in it, which was wonderful. And Steve had the lettuce wedge for his appetizer. A lettuce wedge is a lettuce wedge.
Yeah.
So anyway, but it was an awesome meal. A little pricey. We had a glass of wine each, and then with the tip, it was pricey. So, but well worth it. Well worth it. I mean, we don't go out and eat like this every night. So to go to a nice restaurant the first night of our vacation, I'd say it was worth it. The food was awesome. The service was awesome, and so glad that we left the restaurant down in the hotel and went to find another restaurant because we found a good one. So our first night has turned out wonderful, our first day of our vacation, and we'll be getting on the cruise tomorrow. So stay tuned for those videos coming up, and we're going to call it a night. So y'all have a good evening, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Bye. Bye.